Hello everyone, this is Wasim Ahmad Alimi. Today I am going to talk about the freedom movement of India, the forgotten stories of freedom fighters. One of them are Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. I will talk about him later. And another, the finest freedom fighter is Maulvi Bakar. So I have also written a short story about the struggle and sacrifice of Maulvi Bakar that has been translated in Hindi, also published in Urdu and Hindi both languages. So आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान की आज़ादी में जिन अजीम मुजाहिदीन आज़ादी का किरदार रहा है उनकी ज़िंदगी के बारे में. सो वन ऑफ देम इज़ मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर. एक्चुअली the common name Ali brothers are very famous in the freedom history, but Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali is more important than Shaukat Ali, although the both contributed in the freedom movement, but Muhammad Ali Johar was the finest freedom fighter, as he was issuing the weekly magazine Comrade. So he also issued a magazine titled Hamdard in Urdu. Urdu was the common language of India at that time, and every writer, freedom fighter and other writers used to express their thoughts in Urdu. So मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर जो कॉमरेड मैगजीन निकाला करते थे उनका काम था हिंदू मुस्लिम को यूनाइट करना. सो द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द weekly magazine that was issued by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar was to unite the Hindu and Muslim. The focus was the unity of Hindus and Muslim, and at that time when the freedom movement was on and they were fighting against the Britishers who occupied India and enslaved the people over there. So Comrade magazine contributed to unite both communities, and more writers and literators were there to unite both communities, and they were fighting together to gain the independence. And earlier, when the revolt was in early days, there was a journalist Maulvi Bakar who is known as the first martyred journalist by the Britishers, who was martyred by the Britisher due to his Delhi Urdu Akhbar. It was in Urdu, so it was very basic newspaper which contributed to unite Hindus and Muslim. Basically, both communities were very strongly united at that time against the Britishers. So they were planning to divide them with other means, and the resources, distribution of resources, and spying and conspiracies, theories. But journalists like Maulvi Bakar, who contributed through his newspaper Delhi Urdu Akhbar, it was the time when Delhi Urdu Akhbar was like the Hindu and Indian Express and Times of India at that time. So he was writing columns and other things to unite both communities. So there is a very thin stories and detailed facts about why he was martyred by the Britisher. So I have written everything in my story that is titled as Akhund, and that has been translated in Hindi and originally written in Urdu. The story is published. So I will not spoil the summary of the story. If you are interested, you may Google it or find it somewhere to read the story. But Maulvi Bakar and in later days Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar and many freedom fighters like them contributed to the freedom movement, and finally we achieved the independence on 15th of August at midnight, 15th of August 1947. So it is the real story of freedom movement and freedom, how freedom fighters sacrificed their lives, their everything, their literary emotions, energies, and other things. Like Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar was buried in Jerusalem, and when he participated in Round Table magazine, he was ill. Despite being ill, despite being not well, he participated in Roundtable magazine and openly said that he said that I am not willing to return the country that is enslaved by the outsiders. So that happened the next day, and he died in London and buried in Jerusalem. So one of the poets of Urdu very beautifully has woven this story in his couplet, contributing to the Muhammad Ali Jauhar's struggle. He says his name is Asrar Jamai. He says about Maulana Muhammad Ali Jauhar. He says कि हमारी जामिया मिल्लिया का बानी है वही जौहर, वतन पे मरने वालों में जो सबसे मुहतरम निकला, ना आया लौट कर जिंदा गुलामी की फ़िज़ाओं में, लहद है मस्जिद अक़सा में, गो लंदन में दम निकला. सो उन्होंने अपनी इस शायरी में पूरी हिस्ट्री को समो दिया है जो मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर से रिलेटेड है. सो he died in London and was buried in Jerusalem. So not only Maulana Muhammad Ali Jauhar, not only Maulvi Baqir, there are many heroes and freedom fighters who contributed to the freedom movement, who along with Mahatma Gandhi and other freedom fighters participated in satyagrahas, in Asahयोग आंदोलन्स, non-cooperation movements and other movements that finally we achieved the independence. But still Faiz Ahmad Faiz says के चले चलो के वो मंजिल अभी नहीं आई. So there are many things we are yet to achieve after independence. So hopefully you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends as well. We will talk about many other freedom heroes, freedom fighters in later videos, later coming days, later years. For now, this is enough. We'll meet you in another video, inshallah. Goodbye.